It's a new 2019 BMW X5. It takes luxury and you to new heights. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Apple CarPlay with 1-year trial, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, dynamic damper control automatic with driver control suspension management, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.